Welcome to the pilot episode of the Nothing Personal Show, where we cut through the hype and get straight to the heart of technology. Today, we'll tackle a very interesting challenge that most developers face: choosing the right database. So, what's the biggest misconception that developers have when it comes to cloud databases? I think it's the idea that one size fits all. Trying to force fit their data into the database that they are most familiar with, leading to performance bottlenecks, scaling challenges, and so much more inconvenience. But also, let's talk about choice paralysis. Google Cloud, for one, offers a lot of database options: Cloud SQL, Spanner, Spanner Graph, BigQuery, Firestore, AlloyDB, and so on. How does a company navigate this and build a solid decision tree to determine which database to go for? To answer this, I always start with the data usage patterns. If you're talking about transactional workloads and relational data, Cloud SQL and AlloyDB offer familiar relational databases in a fully managed and scalable service. Think e commerce, banking, or any application where data integrity is paramount. Cloud SQL supports common engines like Postgres, MySQL, and SQL Server, while AlloyDB is a fully managed Postgres-compatible database built for speed and scale. The key decision is how fast you need the reads and writes, and if it is fit for AlloyDB. Globally distributed apps needing scalability. We're talking about the need for planet scale reach and zero downtime. Then Cloud Spanner is your best bet. Think financial systems, supply chain management, or any application requiring strong consistency across geographically dispersed regions. Also, there is Spanner Graph that supports spanner stored data as graphs. This is if you want to supercharge your AI apps with graph capabilities at virtually unlimited scale and unlock the power of relational, graph, full text, and vector search all in one database. If your data is not entirely structured and you want to store your data in the form of documents organized as collections, then there's Firestore, a NoSQL document database that's perfect for mobile and web applications. It's easy to use, scales automatically, and provides offline support in addition to other features. Google Cloud Bigtable is a NoSQL white column store that functions as a massively scalable, sorted key value map. Use it when you have a need for a low latency NoSQL database service for machine learning and real time analytics needs. It's fully managed, easy integration with the streaming ecosystem, and the built in real time capabilities makes it the natural choice for large scale real time analytics requirements. How do you think BigQuery fits in this equation? Well, it is your serverless data warehouse for analytics, which is designed to handle massive data sets and complex queries. It's excellent for storage, analytics, exploration, and business intelligence insights that are both generative and agentic. Also, it lets you do multi cloud analytics, where you can query datasets stored in AWS S3 and Azure Blob Storage within it. It also lets you query from our very own Cloud SQL, AlloyDB, or Firestore instances using federated queries. Google Cloud is infusing AI across its database portfolio. Besides supporting built in AI powered management, it also supports direct integration with Vertex AI models, which means you can seamlessly build generative AI and agentic applications right from where your data is stored. These are vector databases that allow you to store, index, and query embeddings for all of your contextual search needs. Here is some material in the form of blogs and code lab links. This should give you an idea to get started with a lot of applications in the data and AI area built with Google Cloud databases. Definitely start with your data. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and understand your data model, access patterns, and scaling requirements. And experiment with different options and see what works best for your specific use case. And if you'd like to try this out hands on in a guided, instructor led virtual session or series of sessions, then register for Code Vipassana's season 11 that's coming up in mid September. You can go to codevipassana.dev to register.